So we are starting our Poon Hill trek, 3 days Poon Hill trek. From here we will drive to Nayapul, and then after we start walking towards Hile, and then the second day we go to Ghorepani, and the next day we go Poon Hill and come back to Pokhara. So let's start our journey. I'm at Pokhara. We traveled from Kathmandu yesterday, and then we stayed in this beautiful hotel. That's where we'll be staying. This is the hotel for Annapurna Base Camp, Poon Hill, and Ghorepani trek with the Nepalgram. And let's go to Nayapul, to Poon Hill. Maybe like we have something that you can need now. Corona, okay? Corona. So we are on the jeep to Lady. I just started it.
Oh, you just started?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. So I'm the first client.
Alright. We are starting our trek to Poon Hill, and we are starting our walk. So we are at Hile, 1400 meters, and then we walk all the way to 2800, and then we will go to 3200 meters. That's where Poon Hill is, and we'll have a fantastic view. But now the weather is not that good. That's where we will go.